News First Alert Weather.
It's been a soggy morning and it will continue to be that way as we go throughout today, as it will be pretty humid and warm. But I do want to give you the first alert that we will see strong to severe storms as we go into today, this afternoon, and into tonight. From our Midland Exterior Skycam in West Topeka, currently seeing soggy and cloudy scenes out there, as you can see the Kansas River off in the distance. Over the last 48 hours, we have seen between around a half an inch of rain and around 2.5 inches of rain in these purple areas on the map. So we have received quite a bit of rain over the last 2 days overall. Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker showing the shower activity is starting to shift off to the east from the west, as it has been a soggy morning. As I mentioned, we've seen quite a bit of rain ponding on the roads, ponding in yards as well. And as we track out on our supercast, what we will see as we go throughout today, continuing to see that southeasterly flow, we will see some storms start to develop as we go into the middle of the afternoon, possibly mainly around Cloud County, Ottawa County, and around Clay County, just along a boundary that may go through there with the heating and the winds changing throughout that area. And then we will see a line of storms develop off of some supercells in south central Kansas that will move through as we go between the 9 and 11 o'clock hour going throughout this evening. And we'll continue to see some shower activity as we go into the early morning hours for your Sunday as well. Well, what these storms entail after 5 p.m. on Saturday may bring large hail, mainly damaging winds, and a low tornado risk, mainly for this area in the yellow, the slight 2 out of 5 risk by the Storm Prediction Center. Current temperatures right now in the 60s and 70s, so it is mild and muggy right now. As we go throughout our day, we'll continue to feel that way, getting up into the mid-80s. We will see some clearing as far as our cloud cover goes, seeing sunnier skies by the afternoon in most of the area, but then that chance for some storms. And we will as well see our winds pick up from the southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour going throughout the afternoon. Today's forecast overall, I am forecasting it to be in the 80s to reaching near the 90s with partly sunny skies, and we will see the possibility for those thunderstorms going into the late afternoon and evening hours. Tonight we will be in the 60s with storms continuing early. I do want to give you a first alert as well for the conditional severe risk for tomorrow. Tomorrow I am forecasting it to be in the 80s and the 90s with those partly sunny skies. Tracking that out, we will see storms clear out tomorrow morning, clearing in the afternoon. It is a conditional risk. May see a couple of showers develop in the middle of the evening. Then a line of storms or a couple discrete cells start to form along a dry line in the eastern part of the state. And we could see those strengthen as we go into the late evening hours into your Monday morning. That does entail mainly the same possibilities with large hail, mainly damaging winds, and a low tornado risk as well after 5 p.m. on Sunday. That is conditional, so that doesn't mean it will happen. Then Monday will be in the 80s and 90s once again, and mostly sunny. We have storm risk as we go throughout this weekend. Continued showers will be possible throughout next week with the more humid air that we are seeing going into June.